I had this rubber to this because oh no, new birds.
Step 1. Jesse Beaver bird.
Are you ready to walk? Let's walk!
Baby.
Oh, I can't hear this song anymore! Last moment! Wait! You guys don't like my song? High score!
Step 2. Sick bird.
Oh, I'm so sick. This fruit is right on my back. What are you doing? Step 1! Bad sick bird. Pop! Never popped us. Yeah.
Step 3.
Fart bird. Oh, I want to fart. What?
White mean bird.
Oh, wait, that money's not a bird. I ain't got a rhythm. Oh, come on! I got 3 stars, not 2.
Step 4.
Rainbow bird. I get to survive those pigs with my superpower. Whoa! Oh no, a tomato! Whoa! I use my rainbow tomato. Yeah, that's nice. Space bird. I can deliver you to space. Oh, you might go to space. You too bad. Oh, yes. Dun, 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 dun. Annoying. Hey guys, you want to play another game? Yeah. What? You're supposed to be green eggs in him. Yeah. What? I'm gonna teach you when I do.
Marcus, I'm gonna keep this door shut, so I'm gonna lay it up from in here, okay? Why don't you turn that fan off up there on top of the dresser?